Welcome to Auto Luxury, your ultimate destination for in-depth luxury car reviews and automotive excellence. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Ford Puma, a crossover that blends modern design, cutting-edge technology, and impressive performance into a compact yet stylish package. So, let's dive deep into what makes the 2025 Puma stand out. Starting with its design, the 2025 Ford Puma boasts a refined exterior that perfectly balances sportiness and elegance. The front grille has been reimagined with a bold honeycomb pattern, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights that provide enhanced visibility and a striking presence. The sculpted lines along the body give it a more aerodynamic and dynamic stance, while the redesigned alloy wheels, available in multiple finishes, add to its premium appeal. At the rear, a sporty spoiler and LED taillights complete the look, making the Puma as stylish as it is functional. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 Ford Puma is where luxury meets innovation. The cabin is adorned with soft-touch materials, contrast stitching, and ambient lighting that enhances the premium feel. The new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides crisp and customizable information at a glance, while the 12-inch Sync 4 infotainment system, featuring wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensures seamless connectivity. The seats, now available in high-quality leather and suede combinations, offer exceptional comfort and support. Heated and ventilated front seats, along with a panoramic sunroof, further elevate the experience, making long drives a pleasure. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Puma comes with multiple powertrain options, including a 1.0-liter EcoBoost hybrid delivering up to 155 horsepower and an all-new plug-in hybrid variant pushing the limits of efficiency and power. With a responsive 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, the Puma provides smooth shifts and engaging performance. The updated suspension system ensures a balance between comfort and sportiness, making it ideal for both city driving and spirited highway runs. The Puma's precise steering and adaptive drive modes allow for a tailored driving experience, whether you're in eco, normal, or sport mode. A car like the Puma wouldn't be complete without advanced features. Ford has packed this crossover with the latest in driver assistance technology, including adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera for effortless maneuvering. The improved parking assist system makes parallel and perpendicular parking a breeze. Additionally, Ford's latest over-the-air software updates ensure that the Puma stays at the forefront of innovation, keeping its technology up to date without requiring a visit to the dealership. As for its history, the Ford Puma nameplate first debuted in the late 1990s as a sporty coupe, but Ford revived it in 2019 as a stylish compact crossover. Since then, it has evolved into one of the most popular crossovers in Europe, combining Ford's heritage of performance with modern-day versatility. The 2025 model takes this legacy even further, introducing more luxury, efficiency, and state-of-the-art features than ever before. So, is the 2025 Ford Puma the ultimate urban crossover? With its sleek design, premium interior, exhilarating performance, and cutting-edge features, it certainly makes a strong case. Whether you're looking for efficiency, style, or an engaging driving experience, the new Puma delivers on all fronts. Let us know in the comments what you think about this new iteration, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto